friends, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. This is the Declutter and Minimalist Challenge. Our host is Organized with Joy. Please check out her channel in my description box and the amazing creators in the playlist. This month, we are going through a bunch of stuff I decluttered and got rid of from our camper that we're selling and from my living room. Okay, we are filming July 4th. My husband's already went back on the road for another day, and it's 4 o'clock, so I thought I would film what we decluttered in the first week of July. Okay, here's the news. We are selling our camper. So of course that creates a lot of things that we will not need and will not use. Some of which we're keeping if we get another camper. And some of the things we are going to declutter. So the first thing we are getting rid of and we're selling is the camper. So that's number one for this month. And then we went through harnesses. Our dogs are between sizes and they're the hardest to find harnesses that fit. Bailey, some harnesses he wears a small, some he wears a medium, and you get one size and then it doesn't fit, and you get the other size and it doesn't fit. And Bella, she's sometimes an extra small, sometimes a small, sometimes a medium. It depends on how they fit. And she's terrible. They're terrible to fit a harness. We found that the only harnesses that fit them truly well is Bella has to have Velcro. And they do better with tactical harnesses. This is Bella's harness. It's not pretty. It's not the little girly, but she can't come out of it because we've had an awful time of them coming out of harnesses. So this is the harnesses that didn't work for Bella, Bailey, and Trixie and Oscar. They just didn't fit them. I mean, they're really nice quality. We have this one, a really cute swim harness. Doesn't fit any of our dogs. Really cute harness. Doesn't fit them. This one here, how adorable, doesn't work. It's now too tight for Bella. It did fit her earlier. This one here, we thought this would fit Oscar or Bailey, and it didn't fit either of them. This one here, we thought this would fit Bailey or Trixie, and it doesn't fit either of them. Here's another harness. Doesn't fit any of them. This one here is extremely adorable. Doesn't fit Bella. And it's a small. This thing she comes right out of it. Which is not a good thing when you're at the park or somewhere in public to have your dog lose a harness. This one here, super cute. Doesn't work. They come right out of it. So those are going to go. We're going to probably donate these to a local dog rescue. Hopefully they have a dog that fits better than our dogs do. So that's the first thing. We're getting rid of the Dunkin' mug that was in the camper. We're getting rid of a set of 3 Coca-Cola. They're like, you can use them for plates or putting food out if you're gonna have like a buffet. We're gonna get rid of these. We got 2 small coolers. We're gonna get rid of those. I don't even know where they came from. But these are gonna go. One hot pad and a salt and pepper shade. One Christmas throw, it was in the camper because we camped in there clear up till October. And we also did Christmas and July stuff sometimes in the camper. So we're gonna get rid of this, and we're gonna probably donate it to a dog shelter or rescue. One container of goodies for the local blessing box. It's got anything from soup to personal care items to light bulbs in this go around. This is going to our local blessing box. Thad's gonna go there to organize the blessing box for everybody. And that's what we've got as of the first week of July. I'm setting in a mountain of stuff from our camper, and a lot of it I'm gonna get rid of. Here's a comforter that when I washed it, it disintegrated. So this is going in the trash. This is our trash pile. Brush, it's going in the trash. A weird pillow that my husband got me. It's in the shape of a V because he thought when he was gone, my Yorkie could sleep on the other side. Well, he didn't like it. So it ended up in the camper. And I'm gonna get rid of this bag, but I'm gonna give it to the Goodwill because it's in good condition. It just hasn't got used because it ended up in the camper. Dried out thing of baby wipes that was in the camper to wipe our hands if the water wasn't working. Peppers that was in the camper. And well, our contractor bag half full. Hey, we only got a small bag of trash. Now that clean out and organize.